This is Skylark number 2. Not really sure what we'll end up doing with it. Good chance that this will just be a parts car. Had a vinyl top on it, so that roof is extremely rusted out, and it took some front end damage and some damage on the passenger side rear quarter. So I think maybe it costs more than it's worth to fix this one. So we'll see. If we find some parts cheap enough, maybe we'll end up doing both of them. But for now, I think this will be a donor for the other one. The front quarters are both pretty rust free on this, so those alone are worth the price that we paid for the car. So I kind of hate the idea of not trying to save it, but so we'll see. Find some front end parts, find a bumper and stuff cheap enough, maybe it'll be worth looking at. That's what it is for now. Interior is black on this one, so you might find enough salvageable parts to do something with the interior too, to put in the other one.